Hello Tools Autocut, it's Brendan here from Burnside Property Maintenance, and I'm here today to tell you about these Autocut for plastic pipe slices from Monument. Work much the same way as your standard pipe slice. Put it on your pipe, clamp it shut, and turn. That is a standard one, as you can see. What I've been sent here from Tools Autocut is full set for plastic pipe. Cuts your 15mm pipe, your 22s, and then your 1¼ or 1.5" waste pipe. There's also a little pack of spare blades, which are very easily changed with 3 screws in the back. You just change it over. The one I'm most interested in today will be the 40mm 1.5" waste pipe cutter. So what you've got your little protection wheel there that protects the blade while it's not in use, and it clamps on the pipe and works the same as any other pipe slice. So I'm going to be repairing this waste pipe. If I angle my camera right, be repairing this waste pipe that has been left broken after kids playing football has broken it off, which is very handy. So normally I'll be doing this with a hacksaw, and as you can see, the end of this pipe not very straight. So let's have a look, see how we do here. So first of all, let's get our approximate measurements. So about that. Okay, let's have a look. See how this works. So clamp it on. Do it once, do it twice. That's it. That's gone through very nice and easy. As you can see, lovely straight cut. That's going to work quite nicely. I shall leave you now, and I shall get on with the repair. Okay, thank you for watching.